Hello, everyone. Imagine investing just $10 a month. Not 100, not 1,000, just $10. Most people would probably laugh and say, what can $10 a month really do? But here's the truth. Many successful investors didn't start with huge amounts of money. They started small, stayed consistent, and gave their investments time to grow. Today, we're going to compare three of the most popular investment options in the world: Bitcoin, gold, and the Nasdaq. If you invested just $10 every month for the next 10 years, which one could potentially give you the best return? Which one is the safest? Which one carries the biggest risk? And is Bitcoin still a once-in-a-generation opportunity, or has that ship already sailed? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the power of consistency. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting for the perfect time to start investing. They think they need more money. They think they'll start next year. They think they'll invest after getting a raise. But the most valuable asset in investing isn't money. It's time. When you invest regularly, even small amounts can grow significantly through the power of compound growth. That's why a simple $10 monthly investment can become much more valuable than most people expect. Now, let's talk about gold. Gold has been considered valuable for thousands of years. Civilizations have risen and fallen. Currencies have come and gone. But gold has remained a symbol of wealth and stability. During economic uncertainty, inflation, wars, and financial crises, investors often turn to gold as a safe haven. That's one of the biggest advantages of gold: stability. Gold doesn't usually experience the massive price swings that stocks or cryptocurrencies do. But that stability comes with a trade-off. Gold typically doesn't generate explosive growth. It's often better at preserving wealth than multiplying it. For many investors, gold serves as insurance for their portfolio rather than a tool for aggressive wealth creation. Now, let's move on to the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is home to some of the most powerful companies on the planet. Think about the products and services you use every day: your smartphone, your laptop, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, online shopping, social media. Many of the companies driving these innovations are listed on the Nasdaq. Over the last 2 decades, technology has transformed the global economy, and investors who participated in that growth were rewarded significantly. However, investing in the Nasdaq isn't always easy. Technology stocks can be volatile. Markets rise, markets fall, fear spreads, investors panic. But historically, long-term investors who stayed patient often benefited from the continued growth of innovation. Now, let's discuss Bitcoin. Bitcoin was launched in 2009. At the time, very few people understood it. Many dismissed it, some even called it a scam. Yet over time, Bitcoin became one of the best-performing assets in financial history. What makes Bitcoin unique? Scarcity. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. Unlike traditional currencies, no central bank can simply create more Bitcoin. This limited supply is one reason why many investors refer to Bitcoin as digital gold. But Bitcoin's journey has been anything but smooth. It has experienced multiple crashes. Some drops exceeded 50%, others exceeded 70%, and a few exceeded 80%. Each time, headlines declared Bitcoin dead. Yet each time, Bitcoin recovered and reached new highs. Of course, past performance does not guarantee future results. Bitcoin remains one of the most volatile assets available today. That means it offers both tremendous opportunity and significant risk. So let's compare all three. Gold offers stability and protection. Nasdaq offers exposure to world-changing businesses and long-term growth. Bitcoin offers potentially massive returns, but also extreme volatility. There is no perfect investment.
every option comes with advantages and disadvantages. That's why many experienced investors diversify. Instead of putting all their money into a single asset, they spread their investments across multiple asset classes. This helps reduce risk while still creating opportunities for growth. At the end of the day, the most important thing isn't whether you choose Bitcoin, gold, or the Nasdaq.
The most important thing is that you start, because wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through consistency, patience, and smart decision-making over time. So here's my question for you. Over the next 10 years, which asset do you believe will deliver the highest return? Gold, Nasdaq, or Bitcoin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing and personal finance content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.